Mommy, no worry now. I tell you, see, man, everywhere rough. You know, as I tell they deliver normally now, but money never dey. For like 6 months now, nobody don't buy a house. I never see one client. No worry, once the money come, I must send you small thing. I may promise you. You know, how they deliver normally money day. Hello? Mommy, I beg me cut this call for your end, I beg. Ma pick this call. Alright. Hello? Am I on to the agent? Yeah, it's me, the agent. Please, I need a place that is nice and affordable. From the way you sound here, I know your taste, don't worry. But TB say you go need to obey some conditions. So what conditions exactly? Firstly, hope say your wife not too far too, because the staircase for the place not too strong. What? And as you dey come the yard, so make sure so you carry like 2 cutlass sharpen the way to mount your own guards. You understand? You gotta secure yourself first because that your area so now there for kill Sergeant Lord the other day. I said I need a place that is nice and affordable on the island. Now, you all those your spoons and your pots, so you make sure so you mark them because you dey share kitchen with many people. What nonsense? But see, if now this class you dey talk so now only Lucky Bay Homes go fit give you this class you. The way they share this class, now only Lucky Bay Homes go fit deliver like this. For affordable houses, Lucky Bay Homes now the #1 company. For security matter, you don't need to worry yourself with the Action Maximum Security for Lucky Bay Homes. As we dey build the houses, we dey make sure say we dey put the safety of our clients for mind. So you see, Lucky Bay Homes now the #1 real estate company where you fit trust.
For more info and inquiries, you can call +234 903 636 4054 or +234 909 702 5123 or visit our Lagos office, Kilometer 18 Lekki Ekpe Expressway, Justice Plaza, Bellissima Hotel Road, Lekki, Lagos. Abuja, 22B Lume Crescent, Wuse Zone 7, close to NAFDAC FCT, Abuja. Lucky Bay Homes. Remember, every house is not a home.